Hello friends, in today's video, I'll show you the easiest way to format an external drive for your Mac in 3 ways. Let's get started. Method 1. Using Disk Utility. First, connect your external drive to your Mac. Open Finder. Click File. Then choose Get Info to check the current format. You'll see the drive's current format and storage details. If it's not the format you need, we'll change it next using Disk Utility. Next, open the Disk Utility app. Click on the Spotlight search icon at the top right of your screen. Type Disk Utility in the search bar and press Return to open it. In Disk Utility, tap View at the top and select Show All Devices. Then, select your external drive from the left sidebar. Click the Erase button at the top. You'll see that erasing the disk will permanently erase all data stored on it. You can't undo the action. Now, choose the format based on your use. APFS options, best for SSDs and macOS only use. 1. APF. 2. APFS encrypted. 3. APFS case sensitive. 4. APFS case sensitive and encrypted. macOS extended options, great for older Macs or traditional hard drives. 1. macOS extended journaled. 2. macOS extended case sensitive and journaled. Cross-platform options, ideal if you want the drive to work with both Mac and Windows. 1. ExFAT. 2. MS-DOS-FAT. Give your drive a name. Click Erase to begin formatting. Wait a few seconds. Click on Done and that's it. Your drive is ready to use. Method 2. Using Finder. Open the Finder app. Click File on the left side. Right-click and select eraseDisk. Type a name and select any format: APFS Apple File System, macOS Extended HFS+, ExFAT, and MS-DOS-FAT. You'll see APFS is recommended for macOS, iOS, and iPadOS. MS-DOS is also compatible with PCs as well as cameras and other devices. And tap on Erase, and wait a few seconds, and that's it. Your drive is ready to use. Method 3. Using Terminal. First, connect your external drive to your Mac. Now, open the Terminal app. Click on the Spotlight search icon at the top right of your screen. In Terminal, type the following command to list all connected drives. Diskutil list. This will show all disks. Find your external drive, for example. My external disk is named iTechSoft and is located under /dev/disk4. Now, type this command to format the drive. Diskutil eraseDisk ExFAT iTechSoft/dev/disk4. Replace 1. APFS with your format, e.g. JHFS Plus or ExFAT. 2. My drive with the name you want. 3. /dev/disk4 with your actual disk number. Press Return to run the command. You'll see a pop-up message to allow it. And you're done. Your drive is now formatted using Terminal. In addition, if it's not processing and showing the error, this operation is restricted by Sandbox. Then allow permission from the security and privacy settings. Under the System settings, select Privacy and Security, then choose Files and Folders, and allow terminal access on this page. Enter your Mac login password or authenticate with Touch ID. To allow this change, you must quit and reopen the Terminal app on your Mac. Now, run the command in the terminal. And successfully erase your external drive. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide for more new tips and tricks.